Hi, this is Valerie with AppMyHome. As you know, we are big fans of the pre-packaged meal kit. We don't really like to have to worry about what we're going to have for dinner and shop and plan and all of that. But we love it when a nice box arrives at our house with a bunch of meals already planned out for us with recipes so we can try something new. We reviewed a lot of these meal kits over the years, and a couple of years ago we tried Sunbasket. Now, Sunbasket we were really excited about because everything is organic, and they put a lot of focus on making sure that they get their ingredients from sustainable sources. But after we tried a couple of the boxes, we just decided it really wasn't for us. But now, this year, we've been thinking more about our waistlines, and we've noticed that on some of these delicious meal kits, the calorie counts are really creeping up on us. So when we heard about Sunbasket's new Carb Conscious line, we thought we'd give it a try. So Sunbasket nicely sent us this box of some of their new meals, and we're going to open it up and check it out. So here we go. So here, this is your typical meal kit box. They've got a really nice paper-based cooler in here, so it keeps everything nice and cool, but it's really easy to recycle. So here's the first thing is we've got some organic escarole, and that looks good. There's quite a lot of it in there. So our first meal is lamb lavash tacos with ras al hanout and tzatziki. That sounds good. Here. And then our next one is lettuce wrapped lemongrass salmon burgers with crunchy Asian slaw. That sounds really good. And it says here, all their produce is organic unless noted. So it's we really like that about Sunbasket, that they focus on the organic ingredients. This here. And our last meal is pork chops with dried cherry compote, escarole, and pecan relish. So that's what this escarole package is going to go with. So these guys over here. And let's see what else is inside. So we've got a little cardboard divider to keep the proteins cold. And we've got 3 of them in here. So first we've got some ground lamb, 2 little packages of ground lamb here. So that'll go with our tacos. And then we've got some boneless pork chops, no antibiotics, made right for Sunbasket, so those look pretty good. Here. And then we've got our wild-caught Alaskan salmon burger. And again, this is also made for Sunbasket, the wild-caught, so that's nicely sustainably sourced fish, so that looks pretty good. Over here, salmon burgers. And then we've got a couple of ice packs. And this is a different one. I haven't seen an ice pack like this. So this is 98% water plus 2% non-GMO cotton, which is pretty interesting. So the gel inside of this is actually biodegradable and non-toxic. That's something that the other meal kits we've used, we haven't seen anything like this before. So this should be pretty easy to recycle, and when we throw away the gel inside, we don't have to worry about it going into the water system, so that's nice. And looks like that's it. So unlike some other meal kits, it looks like almost everything is in these little bags except for this produce and the proteins. So let me move this thing out of the way here. And we can just, why don't we take a look at the lamb lavash tacos and get a better look at what's inside the bag. So it looks like we've got some lavash. I'm guessing this is Carb Conscious. And this is in its own bag. That's interesting. Oh, a cucumber wrapped up in its own bag. That's really nice. Spices, we've got sumac and some ras al hanout. Organic mint. Organic Greek yogurt in its own container, packed for Sunbasket. Well, that's impressive. Tomato base, so this must be a base that's already prepared to make it really easy to prepare this. Some I can't say that, but I know it's some yummy spicy sauce and a red onion. So, okay. So after using a lot of these meal kits, the first thing I notice that's missing is the recipe card. So we haven't tried Sunbasket for a while, so it looks like rather than sending us a piece of paper with the recipe on it, we probably have to go to their Sunbasket app and figure out how to prepare these meals. But I'm sure we can handle that. So here we go. So this is a look at Sunbasket and unboxing. So I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed watching this video and you're interested in some of our reviews of smart home products and smart kitchen products, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to try Sunbasket today, they have a great offer going on right now. So if you click in the link below, you can get a link right to their website so you can try it out today. And if you want to read more stories, you can visit our website at AppMyHome.com. Thank you.